Hello friends, my name is Shivam from DevOps Schools and I will help you to enable your learning process in various technologies of DevOps, artificial intelligence, machine learning, big data and many more. This is our initiative to help you by sharing multiple tutorials and videos. And if you want any specific tutorials or any particular topic, then please do comment in the below comment section and I will help you with it. Also, please subscribe to our premium services on YouTube, which will give you access to more content and videos to enhance your knowledge about all these topics. Also, if you want me to help you with regards to the online trainings and classroom sessions by our qualified trainers, then please do write me at contact@devopsschool.com. Thank you.
Yeah, so we have already, can you click on lab number 17? Core services, VM, VNet, SKDB, go down. Core solutions and management tool, that is Azure IoT VM, okay. And a place where which we are control network technology. Control network, comma technology, not technology. Network. After that put comma, technology and data. Okay, Control S. Click on lab number, okay, 18. Okay, keyboard, good. Oh, you have highlighted also with yellow color, it's good. Click on plus new, go down. Abhilash, you should also handy with your lab document. Go down.
No,
I can understand.
Rohit, there is some issue with my MS Office.
Again,
So,
issue.
yeah, I'm not sure what's the problem. I've done that 26 labs, but I am unable to open that.
Just
Give me 1 day, let me check.
restart your system.
Yeah, I've done multiple times, but same.
Okay. So you have completed, right?
Yeah, I completed 26 labs. I created the machine as well. You know, that Linux one and logged in. Last one.
Okay. Great. Create secret key to Azure Vault. Okay, go down. Okay, go down. Create the network security group. Go down. Okay, you have selected this much. Okay. 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 Can you just show me in PAN how many labs we have till now created? Okay. What but create Azure keyboard and Azure Mountain, Azure log. Okay. Create one more lab, that is lab number 27, Azure policy. We have a discussion.
Yesterday I tried login into the VM, actually Linux VM.
Okay.
I am able to log in, connect to the from my putty. I tried it. I am able to log in.
So you have converted through PuttyGen. You converted your key into the key pair.
No, I didn't. Actually, I just directly
Username, password, so we can give directly. No need to convert.
No. There are two ways to create the virtual machine. Either username and password. Another way is what? We have to download the key pair. Okay, there are two ways to create. We'll discuss in detail. There are various types in AZ104. Here your target.
Sorry, I am able to log in that document now.
Okay. Let me finish this. Okay.
Yeah.
Then I will come to you. So see, there are various ways, like through Azure username and password. Another way is what? Another way is what?
Keychain,
we can download the key pair. Yes, we have to download the key pair, or maximum in maximum places we are doing in the same fashion.
Okay. The same like AWS. Same like
Yes,
AWS.
same like AWS.
Okay. This
Okay.
I tried it. This one I tried it. I think connecting. Just I'm
So
going to
this
connect.
is lab number. Which lab number?
I just include in the screenshot itself. The same lab
Okay.
number
Okay.
26th.
Okay. 26. Okay. So you all of you add the same thing which Arun have added. Okay. Regarding the key pair, how to convert key to through putty gen. Okay, I will explain you in age at 104. This is not in
Okay.
your detail, but it's a good you have created. So there is one Azure policy. Create an Azure policy. Oh, yeah. Okay, wait. Let me check the Avilas lab also.
Okay.
Meanwhile, you can log in and do not create anything right now.
Okay.
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 Because everything should be recorded. So let me check Avilash. And Mohammed, did you get a chance to at least 2, 3, 4 labs you have created in the
Yeah,
document?
no, Rohit, I was not able, I didn't get the time. So I'll do it on the weekend and I'll show all the labs on Monday.
Okay, I'm planning to give you some other assignment, guys.
Okay, sure.
Okay, no issues. So I spend a little bit more time on. I don't know why this. Someone is talking on speaker. It's echoing, right?
It's echoing.
Yeah, echo. Can all of you go on mute? Oh, Avilas, you can stay here. Avilas, please
Yeah.
unmute yourself. Yeah.
Yeah.
So show me from lab number 18, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, created. Go down. So you are able to create all the labs, right?
Yes.
Okay, good. Go down. Okay, great. Go down.
Yep.
Okay. Okay. Go down.
That's it.
Ubuntu VM will be created, or you are also able to log in, right?
Yes.
User. Okay, great. Okay, so Mohammed, I will check your labs on Monday. Is it fine?
Sure, Rohit.
Please in this weekend. Okay, now I'm going to make Arun as a presenter. Arun, you can unmute yourself.
Yeah.
Okay. So first we have to wait. First we have to log into portal.azure.com. Then we have to search on search box what?
Azure policy.
Yeah, policy. Just put policy. It came, right? Please select the policies. So it is also, you have to remember that policy and Azure policy both are same. Okay.
Okay.
Getting my point? Otherwise you will some Azure policy you are searching, you are not getting, then you will say that okay, I'm not able to select see this service. Okay. So you can see that, wait, go up, don't go down, scroll up. And can you please increase the font? Are you able to see the authoring section? Left hand side,
Mm,
authoring.
authoring.
Yeah. Under the authoring, there is the assignments,
Oh,
definitions.
yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, so click on definition. Okay, so these are the build policy from the Azure.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay. Okay.
these are the build policy. Okay,
Okay.
now see how to set the policy for different. I will explain you in detail in AZ 104. Here right now how to create the policy. Okay, so and
Okay.
how to apply the policy, that is also important. Okay,
Okay.
so you can say that you can see that there is a category section, right? Category drop down, scope, definition, type, no, above.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Yes, here click that drop down. Here everything is selected, right? So your all the policy will be,
Yes.
so select only compute, unselect all, click on select all. Yes, now click only compute. Compute means virtual machine, not select all, compute
No,
only.
no. Computer only I selected.
Actually I'm not able to see what you have selected. So you can see
No,
that one category is,
computer only I selected. See, all
okay,
computer
good.
only.
Yeah, fine. So your policy will be apply only for compute. You can see that category is added at compute, right?
Yeah.
Correct. So in
Yeah.
that way you can define your policy in build policy. Okay, and there is a policy definition plus icon.
Sorry. Sorry.
Okay, no issues. Definition, select category, compute. Any other services, storage account also you can apply your policy on a storage account also, virtual machine also, it depends on your requirement. So click on plus the policy definition.
In any organization, this mostly this policy handle taken care by the security team. No, this security and
Yes, no, yeah, security team, not you. It is not
yeah, that's
our
why.
job, DevOps
Yeah, that's
job,
why.
but
Yeah,
at
that's
least
why.
you should know the services
No,
basic. Okay,
I'm just asking basically think because this
okay.
even AWS we never did for anything because security team is to do the create a policy everything.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Here also in Azure also there is one certification. Okay,
Uh-huh.
that is AZ 500. If you will go through that, then I will explain you detailed policies. Just a second, guys.
Okay.
Yeah, sorry guys, I was getting one important call. Okay, hello.
Yeah.
Okay, no
Okay.
problem.
Okay, so from here you can decide the policy definition. Okay,
Okay.
clear. Click on home.
Okay.
These are not your stuff.
Okay.
Policy. Okay, so now definition you got, right? What are the predefined definitions for Azure cloud? Same. Now click on assignments. Okay,
Okay.
here there is one icon, assign policy.
Yes.
Click that. Okay, here also you can put your policy definition. Okay,
Okay.
from your basic, like suppose scroll up little bit. So there is what you can see that there is a what scope, right? So it is already given you what your
Yeah.
Azure subscription one.
Yeah.
Okay, and go down. There is a basics policy definition. There is a 3 dots are there, right? Click that. From here, click on all drop down. What are the policies you require? You can select anything. All types, custom, you can custom and all. Okay.
Okay.
From
Okay.
here you can assign.
Okay.
Clear? And then
Okay.
you can select anything and you can create.
Okay.
For any location. For any location. Because policy will be differ for country wise. If you are working in
Yes.
India, the policy will be different. If you are working in different region like East US, policy will be different. Okay. If you are working in Arabian country like Dubai and all, the policy will be differ. Okay. So according
Okay.
to the region, we have to define the policy. Clear?
Okay. Okay.
Any doubt, Abhilash?
No, clear.
Okay. Now we are going to discuss about, let me share my screen and we will discuss the 4th unit. Okay.
Okay.
So you just add this lab policy creation. Okay. Yeah, it is added. Okay, good.
Okay.
Yes, great. And inside that, just mention, define the policy in the bracket, just mention. Define the policy for services, either it is a compute service, either it is, a storage account and all. And okay, and in just mention example, compute and storage, etc. There are so many services are there. From the drop down you can select.
Okay.
Okay, please copy paste this particular lab into the chat. Now tell me, what are the things we have discussed till now? We discussed the fundamental of cloud, right, in first unit. What is
Yes.
cloud, economic scale and all. In the second unit, what are things we discussed? We discussed about the core services. Okay. So understanding Azure pricing and support. Okay. So whenever we are going to discuss about the pricing and support, we should have Azure subscription. How to check the Azure subscription, right? How to check the Azure subscription? Which type of subscription you are using? You guys know or not?
Pay as you go.
Yes,
Very
yes, we
first,
know.
Yeah. Yes. Pay as
very
to.
first class I
Yeah.
told
Or
you how
free
to
subscription.
create the, yeah.
Yeah.
So in this unit, we are going to discuss about the Azure subscription, management group, purchasing Azure product and services, pricing calculator, Azure cost management, service level agreement SLA, public and private preview features. Okay, so let's talk about the Azure subscription. So Azure subscription always involves what? Authentication and authorization, right?
Yes.
See, without you don't have account, and if you don't know your credential, if you will forget, then are you able to log in, right? No, right? You're not able to log in,
No.
right? So it
Yes.
requires authentication and authorization. Now let me explain you with authorization is what. Suppose you are using free account. Avilas, try to understand. So from the drop down of region, you can see that there are so many regions. It is what? Grayed out. You are not able to select, right?
Yes.
For creating the virtual machine or any instance, not only virtual machine. Correct? Sometimes, Avilas, is it correct
Yes.
or not?
Yes, correct.
Have you encountered this? So that is your authorization. You are using a free account and you don't have access to
Permissions.
create any instance in some of the region.
Correct.
Okay,
Yeah.
correct. So an Azure subscription provide you with authenticated and authorized access to Azure products and services and allow you to provision resources on Azure. It is a logical unit of Azure services that links to an Azure account. And Azure offers free and paid subscription option to suit different needs and requirements. Exactly like Arun is using paid account, right? And Avilas, you are
Yes.
using free account, correct? So we
Yes.
are using both. I'm also using
Yes.
paid only.
Okay.
An account can have one subscription or multiple subscription that have different billing models and to which you apply different access management policies. Exactly. Let us take an example of organization. So Avilas, if you could have experience in your organization itself, or Arun, you are already working in infrastructure, right? Cloud infrastructure. So you must be aware that organization or project is taking one subscription. Under the one subscription, they are going to make multiple, subscription, right?
Yes.
Developer have some different subscription. Tester have different type of subscription, right?
No, we
And
have only one
admin,
subscription. Only one subscription only for the whole organization.
yeah, only one organization, but access levels
Yeah.
are different, right?
Yeah.
Like you have a authorization to create the instance, but some of the people doesn't have they are only able to view. And if they want to use any service, like in AWS, I'm taking example S3 or any S3, let us take an example of S3 or Redshift, anything. So they are going to send out a mail to you, infrastructure team, right? I need this to use that, right? They don't have access to create that particular infrastructure. Getting my point?
Yes.
Although
Yeah.
under the same subscription in organization level, we all are using the same cloud provider, but we have the different access level. Okay, clear?
Okay.
Yes.
So subscription level will be different in the organization and project for different person. Subscription usage and options. See, you can use Azure subscription to define boundaries around Azure products, service, and resources. So two types of subscription boundaries that you can use. First one is billing boundary. Second one is access control boundary. So billing boundaries, what? See, let me give you the simple example. See, whenever the people are going to take the especially organize at organization level, like the level like VP and senior manager and AD, additional director, or MD level, they are going to take one subscription, right, for any cloud provider. Under that AD or VP, there are multiple projects are running, right, guys?
Yes.
So whenever multiple projects are, suppose they have allocated for suppose under one VP, organization have allocated $100. Just I'm taking the simple example so you guys will understood. And under one VP, there are almost 5 to 6 projects are running, or multiple projects are running, correct? And they have to give the access to all the projects, correct, guys?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, so how they are going to do? They are
They're
going
going
to
to get.
divide the money. Okay, for project one, they are going to put suppose $10. But before dividing the budget, they are going to check the requirement of the project. If project one requires more, boundaries as compared to other project 2, 3, 4, 5, then they are going to allocate more budget into the project 1, right? Correct, guys?
Yes.
But these all are hierarchy under the one VP, one subscription only. They are going to generate child subscription here, project level. Under the project level also, they are going to generate again the subscription level, different layers. Okay, guys, clear or
Okay.
not? So
Okay.
that is known as that kind of. So suppose you have what? Only you have to spend in your project. The budget is only for $10. So all the testing, development, whatever activity you are going to do, you have to complete within the $10 budget only. The services you are going to use. Now clear?
Okay.
So for each
That is
subscription,
billing.
we can have a billing boundary, is it? Like
Yes,
only
yes. Yeah, at
only
organization level, at project
oh,
level.
okay.
You can set if it will exceed more than $100.
So
Whenever it is going to reach, it will give you the notification. It will give you. They will send the reminder mails and all. They will just promote you. Okay, please increase your boundary and all this stuff, like promotion kind of mails you will
so
get.
if we assume like one project has only one subscription, and there are multiple teams which are using the same subscription, can
Okay.
we have the billing boundary at resource group level also, or can we stop like these are the only resources that can be used by this particular XYZ team
Yeah,
using
yeah,
this
yeah.
resource
Yeah,
group?
yeah. At that level also you can restrict by
Okay,
providing through the access.
so
Suppose
not only
I'm
at the subscription level but at a resource group and a resource level also we can have the billing boundaries defined, is it?
yes. Suppose they will allow you to create only 4 instances: virtual machine, database, network, and one more. That's all.
Okay.
If you are
And
going to create another instance in your
Mhm.
console, then it will
Okay,
give you don't have the permission to create this.
so it
But
should
this,
be a policy, is it?
yeah, this is the policy. But you guys
Okay,
are not going to decide. This will be decided at the level of VP or senior manager, or
so that
including security
anyway
teams,
the
AD and
decision
MD.
document or decision will be taken at a strategic level, but
Yes.
implementation has to be done by the technical staff only, right?
Yes. Technical stuff only.
In terms of
Ac-
policy implementation.
Yes, policy implementation. Basically, here security team will be involved, and budget VP and your AD budget teams. What kind of
Right.
budget? How they are going to all this. Basically these kind of discussion will happen at very high level. And the
Yeah,
person who is
that is
yeah,
fine. At
and
at a project initiation level, it may
hmm,
happen like this particular project will have this particular budget only. So within this budget only, everything
yes,
has to be completed. So
exactly.
yeah, but the policy implementation has to be done by some like it depends, right? Like in one organization, you can have 10 Azure guys and or only one person may be managing everything.
Yeah, it depends upon the organization size.
Yeah, right.
Okay, organization. If like Accenture and all, they have so many. Like Capgemini and all, they have so many teams.
Yeah, there
Okay,
will be many teams,
totally.
but let's say like if there is a banking project and they will have like only banking guys only like there will be only one or two banking guy Azure guys
So
dedicated for that particular project, right?
yes, so infrastructure team is going to handle those
Handle
stuff.
that. Yeah.
Okay, implementation part will be handled by infrastructure team.
Okay. So
Okay.
can we be seeing this practically like implementing this billing boundary for subscription at resource and resource group level in the administration part?
In administration part, I will tell you, but organization level, if someone is going to create, maybe they are going to allow
Mhm.
you or not. It is not because
That is
privately I have
fine.
not created, but I
So
will
that
tell
is
you
fine.
how to
Like
do.
whether I am going to do or we just need to have the right knowledge, right?
Idea.
It depends.
Yeah,
It
yeah.
depends upon the project requirement.
To get our channel membership, click onto the join button, select the 3D99 plan and grow your skills immensely.
our limitation will be defined, right?
Exactly, your limitations. Okay, and access control boundary also, that we have enough discussion about, right? How
Yes.
we have to give the access and all.
Yeah,
So
in
this
terms
is,
of RBAC, right?
yes, RBAC, role based access control.
Role-based access control. Right?
Okay, so this is very important because this is decide the budgets. Okay, according to the budget we have to do. Clear?
Yeah.
Yes.
Now let me explain you your Mohammed, your, see, as I was telling you, in any organization, management group. So what is management group is what? Azure management group are containers for managing access policies and compliance across multiple Azure subscription. Okay, so management group allow you to order your Azure resources hierarchy into a collections, which provides a further level of classification beyond subscription. So let me just giving you the very simple example. I have already given you the same example. See, this is the MD, root management group. This is what MD of your organization. Okay, Arun.
Right.
Okay, and here there are multiple, hierarchy of verticals will be available, right? Like let us take an example of Avilas organization, Accenture. So Accenture have some human resource HR vertical, some IT vertical, some marketing vertical, correct, Vilas?
Yes.
Correct? And all
Yes.
verticals are totally identical, correct?
Yep.
Okay. So if, and all, suppose they all need, some kind of, cloud access, okay, or Azure subscription, they all need. Okay. So at the human resource level, there is what dev test subscription and apps subscription. At the IT, this is our production, geo region 1 and geo region 2 in project. There some of the person are sitting in Europe region or East US, in US and in India, right? So at the geographical region also we will define the access policy according to the, because each and every country have different laws, right?
Yeah.
Right, guys?
Yes,
Yes.
correct.
According to that we have to define. Okay, and some of the marketing, like marketing here, it is directly intends to sales people, like senior manager and VP, they are going to give the demo into the in front of client and all, right? Usually I used to do all this stuff. So we have to do some free subscription we have to use. And who is providing free trial subscription? Like in your organization, Avilas, AWS, Microsoft and all, if you are going to use your official mail ID, then AWS is a partner of Accenture also, Capgemini also, Infosys also, right? So they are allowing you to do some practical things, or some kind of learning things, right? Or for demo purpose,
Yes.
they are providing you the free subscription. You can use
Yes.
your organization email ID and you can do your labs also.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, guys, but do not do for learning purpose, because if you are going to do the you are going to create the any documents and all, and if you are using the organization email ID, then it will be, in future you will be in trouble. Okay, for learning you can just practice, you can erase, but do not document anything handy. Whenever you are going to leave the organization, you can't carry those documents, correct, guys?
Yeah.
Yes.
That is again the policy violation. So those mainly we are using this free trial. So here in free trial subscription, we are for sales purpose, we are showing to the client that we are going to provide, these are the services offered by this cloud provider in a package sense. Okay, all this stuff we are going to discuss. So basically how much, that is what I've given you, $100. Among that they are going to divide, among that they are going to divide the at subscription level and through the management group. Okay, so implementation part will be taken care by Mohammed, infrastructure team.
Right.
Okay, and decision part will be taken care by
Management.
Management.
exactly management. That it includes senior manager, VP, AD, MD.
Okay.
Not manager. Manager will manage these things. Okay, after this. Now object hierarchy. See, management group, after that subscription, that is what I told you, right? And then resource group, you are asking about the resource group at whether we are able to manage the resource group level or not. Correct, Mohammed?
Yeah.
Yeah, we can manage. I told you, right? And after that, resource. This is the hierarchy. So this object hierarchy you have to remember.
So
Okay.
there is a root management group, right, at the top
Yes.
level of the hierarchy.
Yeah. So that is what management group only, na?
Okay. So in Azure AD part, so what does it represent? Like which subscription does the root management group? How can we identify this root management group actually? What kind of login they will be having?
They have the
Is it the
entire see root management group like MD and VP. They have the like
no?
access
I
for.
mean in terms of access, is it the IAM? Is it the admin account?
Yes, it is admin full access.
Subscription, like in subscription access, we
Yeah,
discussed, right?
every
There are two.
yeah. So subscription level, he can manage entire subscription. He want to suppose see
Yeah.
there are. Let me tell you. Suppose he have this root management group have allocated $10 here. Okay, and here suppose $15. After 2 months,
No.
he can shift those like $15 human resource and $10 to IT according to the requirement. He have full control on the subscription level. Root management group. But
Yeah.
actually we are not going to. I will just send the mail to infrastructure team, just do this, that's all, and they are going to follow the instruction.
Okay. So let's assume like we have a blank Azure account, like subscription basically.
Okay.
Like someone is wants to implement Azure, and they have just bought one couple of subscriptions. So where does one create this root management group?
Yeah. So this is what Azure subscription one, right? Honor, my role, Mohammed.
Yes.
Yeah. Now he can add more subscription here also. And here there are 3 dots. Wait. In the honor. Wait. There is 3 dots last. Yes, click that. Click that.
1 minute.
3 dots after active. Click that.
Which one?
3 dots are there now. After active.
After yeah, pin to dashboard only.
Okay, pin to dashboard. Okay, from here, let's add from here only. You don't have that access.
So Rohit,
Click on add.
is this a free account, free subscription or trial
No,
subscription?
it's a paid. It's
or
a paid
one.
Yeah, paid
Okay,
one. If you are using free, then maybe you will not get the chance. Okay.
Okay.
Here you can do not add other unnecessary. It will give you the bill. Just I'm showing you Arun and Mohammed. Unnecessary,
Okay.
it will give you the. So here you can enter. You can give the other subscription to other people. Like suppose Rohit, and you will give some added different types of subscription is there. From here you can add only read, write, only read. Clear?
Okay.
From the root,
So
Arun is a root.
oh,
Arun,
okay.
yes. Go ahead. Go ahead. What
So
is your question?
how can we identify that he is part of that root account?
You will not. I know you don't have access to find who is owning that account at organization level. Only the infrastructure team who have the full access, who is going to control, who only he is able to do.
Yeah. Let's assume I am the part of the infrastructure team. I want to identify like who are the users who are part of the.
Then you can view. You can view. You will go to the subscription and root management. You will just search on subscription. You will see here who is the owner. My role is owner. Suppose there are 6-7 people.
Mohammed, I'll explain you because what you're asking, I'm I got it. What you see, for
Yeah,
example,
so honor is
development
Sure,
team, you cannot give the full access. You cannot give the full access to this full Azure service. They need only the access to the VM machines or deploying the like container dockers or anything for testing purpose. They'll use that one. So they have only the limited access services like thing coding, like function app kind of thing. They'll have a limited services. So this is kind of testing team will have only the applications which have the only the access. So we have a separate resource group will be there. So like this, you have a development. They have a like that. You have a resource
no,
based
no.
on the resource group. Will segregate
He's
the things.
yeah. He is asking about how to find out the root subscription, right?
Root is
root
And
user.
directly you can see the root user honor. You will see
honor.
here my role. You just search on subscription. You will able to find out if you have access. If you are from the
After that,
infrastructure.
Okay.
they'll create some more users.
Some more
Who are-
subscription 2, subscription 4, subscription 5. You can so and create it.
Okay.
Okay.
Whenever we have this one subscription created in the initial, that will become the part of
Yes.
the root
Honor.
management.
Yes. Root management. First subscription.
Okay.
Honor.
But is there a way
Because
to identify this is the root management groups
only if you have
subscription?
access for that, yeah, only if you will have access, then only you are able to see at organization
So
level.
I think now Arun is having that access, right, for this?
Yeah, so that's the reason he is able to see his role is honor.
Okay. So whenever we see this owner, he
It
is
means
part of
he had
the
a
root management
root.
group.
Yes, exactly.
Okay. That's what I
Multiple
want
honor
to
will
map the roles actually.
and multiple honor will may be there for backup
Mhm.
purpose. Like suppose
Okay.
every time, suppose Arun is MD, let's assume he is going to approve all the access level and all, like the senior manager or manager, right? He's honor. So maybe he will become, sometimes he will go for vacations and all, right? So they will make usually like my, if I'm not, I will not available in my organization. There's one more person who is going to take care in absence of mine. Okay.
Right.
His approval will be the final approval in absence of mine. Okay.
Okay. Fine.
Okay. Let me share my screen. Now clear, I think.
Yes, yes.
Do not see from here you can decide the role by adding and all, but do not add unnecessary. It will charge you because your is a pay as you go, Arun.
Yeah. I know.
Okay.
Yeah,
From
this is
here you
separate
can
for
add
the
money. Yes.
billing contributor, everything is there.
Yes. Everything will be there. We'll discuss in AZ 104. Don't go right now.
Okay.
I do not create any other subscription here.
Okay.
Okay. Demo we have already showcased you. Azure free, how to create the Azure free, these are the services you have already created, and how to create the Azure free account I have already told you in very first class, right?
Yeah.
Correct, guys?
Yes,
So
yes.
in first account, and so there are two types of account we can create, or you can say that there are three types. A student nowadays student accounts are also available. Okay, that is also free, but you will not get like Arun is having all the flexibility. He is able to create any instance for any region and all, right? But if you are using free or a student account, you have some limitations. Okay, guys.
Okay.
Okay, and with the free account in INR, you will get almost 13,000 or 14,000 or $200 credited for 12 months, and you can complete your labs. Okay.
Okay.
Free account, how to create? So factors affecting cost, resource type. As I told you, storage account, see, depends on if you are going to use virtual machine, cost will be less. If you are going to use database or storage account, all this stuff, cost will be high. So cost will also depends upon the resource, services and location. Okay, which service you are using, which type of resource you are using, and on which location. Like suppose you are creating the virtual machine in South India region, the price will be less. And if you're going to create the same virtual machine in East US or any other specific location, then the cost will be high. Tell me why.
Because of the
Mohammed, you
maintenance and
wait, Arun, wait. I know you
yeah.
are working in infrastructure. I need answer from Mohammed and Avilash. Mohammed,
Sorry, can you repeat your question? All right.
see, cost will be depends upon the resource type, service, and location, right?
Mhm.
So as I told you, it differs. If you are going to create any virtual machine or any instance, either database and
Mhm.
anything, okay,
Mhm.
into the
Mhm.
South India region, the cost will
Mhm.
be less. If same virtual machine, if you are going to create in East US location, the
Mhm.
cost will be high. What is the reason behind that?
I think maintenance of the data centers in that particular location.
Maintenance will be cost you almost same. Mainly is what they are, as you know, business. Do not think everything technically, okay?
Okay.
Because the demand of the instances from that region will be very high as
Okay.
compared to this.
Okay.
Don't think everything technically. Just think about regarding
Sure.
the business perspective also.
Sure. Sure.
Can you repeat, Rohit?
Who is asking?
Vilash.
Avilash. See,
Yep.
cost of the any instance or any instance in Azure portal, it depends upon three things: resource type, which type of resource, virtual
Yep.
machine, database, and all, and which type of service you
Yep.
are using, and on which location you are using.
Yep.
Clear?
Why it's different from as said from south?
Because the request, uh, see, if in a simple and very layman style, I'm just telling
Yep.
you that
Yep.
if the demand will be more, then cost will be high, right?
Okay.
If the demand will be less, then cost will be less, right?
Yep.
This is the business. Everything I told you, right? Everything is a business.
Okay.
Do not think technically and all. Just think
Yeah.
regardless of the business.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Zones for billing purpose. A zone is geographical grouping of Azure region for billing purpose. So there are three types of zones. Okay, that is zone first, second, and third. First zone includes West US, East US, West Europe, and others. Second zone includes Australia Central, Japan, West Central India, and others. And zone third includes Brazil South only. Okay, clear?
Okay.
Guys, these things you
Yeah.
have to remember. They will ask you, and maybe see right now I'm telling you, after 1 month if you will see, maybe they will change the order. Like they will put Japan into the zone first and Central India into the zone third,
So how we
or
can
maybe they
identify
will
this?
include.
But
This is
this
from
region
the
is not.
micro
Middle East is not there.
others.
Others, sir.
But
Others,
above also others is there.
yeah,
Hmm.
others. So maybe they are going to define some others. Okay, so only how we will get from the Microsoft only notification. Okay.
But if I need to go and check now, so on the portal I can identify these zones,
Portal
is
on
it?
from Google you can search
Okay.
exact. Okay,
But
but
what
right
should
now
be the right um, source of information? Is it the portal or anything in
portal,
another?
no, not anything. Microsoft portal only. That is the correct
Okay.
source of information. Because in
Right.
Google we can put anything, right? No one is going to tell you if I will, increase or decrease or
No.
any manipulation things. Better to go
Okay.
through Microsoft documentation.
Okay.
Rohit, I have a question. Okay. See, in
Yeah,
this
please.
case,
Hmm.
I'm planning for hosting one, my company for hosting one data center in the cloud. So I want to compare with the AWS with the Azure. Is it possible to compare anything? They'll give this comparison in the Azure portal.
Yeah. So cloud migration, not in Azure portal, you can't compare. You can calculate the price. You
Okay.
can't compare.
Okay.
There are so many tools like you, that is what you want to shift your on-premise data center into the cloud, right? That is cloud
Hmm.
migration, correct? So
Hmm.
that we will discuss. We can do the comparison between AWS, Azure, GCP, Alibaba, anything. Okay. Through that is why I
Hmm.
told you, right? TBM.
Hmm.
And we have to generate the business case. Suppose for your organization, you want to create any data center, private data center into the cloud, right? So before
Hmm.
creation, you need to showcase in your organization that, okay, if you will create in Azure, the price will be this much. If you will create in AWS, price will be this much. If you will create in GCP, price will be this much. If you will take the hybrid solution, like some of the
Hmm.
service in from Azure, some of the service in AWS, some of the service from GCP, then the cost
Hmm.
will be this much, correct? Then
Hmm.
only then your organization is going to decide based on their discussion. Okay, so
Hmm.
those all parts are not in your syllabus. That is in cloud migration class we will talk. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
let's finish the DevOps track, correct,
Okay.
Mohammed?
Yes,
If I will
sure.
go comparing, creating and all those use case, you
Just
need to
asking.
do
Just
some.
asking. Is there any in the portal?
Yes,
If will.
possible. No, portal you will not get. There is third party tools are available.
Okay. Okay.
Third party tools and business case and how to do through Excel and all, I will explain you in that class. Okay, don't worry.
Okay. Okay.
So pricing calculator is also one of the services offered by Azure. So it will help you to estimate the storage you need and configure them according to your specific requirements. Azure provides a detailed estimate of the cost associated with your selections and configurations. Okay, so basically what is the use of calculator? Basic, do not think about the pricing of calculator. What is the use of calculator?
Calculating the
Price?
what are the service using how much
No, don't.
requirement.
Simple calculator.
Simple
Don't go
calculator.
Azure
Okay.
cloud. Simple
Okay.
calculator.
Okay.
You have on your
Addition.
PC, you have a
Yeah.
calculator not on your PC.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
So basically calculator are mainly used for arithmetic operation, correct?
Yes.
Right.
Not only for addition, subtraction, everything. So basically, and all the logs value and all this stuff we will do. All kind of calculation we can do. Correct, guys? Either it is a
Yes.
exponential calculations and all, any kind of. So same thing we can do through pricing calculator. Basically, we are going to calculate the price of the services. Okay, so Azure cost management. So basically Azure cost management is an Azure product that provides a set of tools for monitoring, allocation and optimizing Azure cost. It provides the following: reporting generation report, budgets, alerting, advisor and recommendation. So Azure cost management is also one of the service. Okay, and whenever you are going to reach to your budget, they are going to send one email or trigger email. They will alert you, they will give you the notifications. Okay, they will also generate the weekly report in this week, or daily wise report or monthly report. In this month you have suppose spend $100. So again you need to revisit your infrastructure management team, and then you have to explain we need to cut down the cost, how we can optimize it without affecting the current operations. Correct, guys?
This all report
Yep.
generation we owner has to set, no, because this is all set by the owner only, no.
The owner
Or
is not.
defaultly.
I'm one infrastructure team. Okay,
Okay.
I'm a owner of in my organization. I am a management route. Whether I have a time to generate the report and send out to email to all the people? Tell me.
No.
No, right?
No.
Okay, only they need the approval, that's all. They are going to send to me report and CC to all the leads only.
Okay.
Only
Okay.
leads, not each and every person in the organization,
Yeah.
software
Yeah.
engineer,
Yeah.
ASC, no, only leads. And leads will communicate to their teams member. Correct, Mohammed?
Yes.
Because if you are working as a manager, so you don't have time to generate an infrastructure team will send and then you are going to send. So minimizing cost. So the following best practices guidelines can be help minimize your Azure cost. Perform cost analysis, use the Azure pricing TCO, that is calculator. Monitor users with Azure Advisor. Use spending user spending limits. You can define, okay, Rohit is going to use only $10, Avlas is going to use only $8, Muhammad is going to use $15, Arun is going to use $20, because Arun is a what, owner, right? He can decide how much, correct? Depends upon that. And apply tax to identify boundaries and regions. Clear?
Okay.
Please note
Okay.
down these points because they will ask you in the interview also.
Hmm.
Okay, guys.
Okay.
Clear? Anyone have any doubt?
Clear. Clear. No, one more question. Okay, you are saying for this tax point you are saying. Suppose India region, if I choose that GST thing, means it applies to this also.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay,
See, I
so
told you different region, different country have different rules.
yeah,
Suppose, see,
correct.
let me give you the simple example.
Hmm.
You are preparing for AZ 900 certification, right?
Hmm.
So
Hmm.
if you are going to give the exam in India, you have to pay 18% GST.
Yes. Okay.
Okay, if you will
Hmm.
pay in, if you are going to give the exam in US, maybe some different type of tax they are going to, apply, right?
Hmm.
Maybe it
Hmm.
is 18%, maybe it is 10%, maybe 8%, and maybe there is 0%.
Okay.
Education tax is 0%, right? So it depends upon the country.
Okay.
Like you are in Dubai, there is no income tax, right? Or they have implemented.
VAT is there.
Okay, VAT. Earlier when I was in Dubai, there is no VAT and nothing was there.
That's correct.
It's VAT. It's VAT is.
Now I don't. When I was in 2013,
Yeah, 10 years back there was no.
I was in 11 to 13. I have not given single rupees as a tax. Hello.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Right
Times
now I
change.
don't know what is. Okay. Yeah. Support options. So supporting but do not, that is Azure advisory. Okay, these things are cost and all. Okay, let me.
So how to like set up a dashboard using Azure Advisor? So
I will
using
tell you.
Azure Advisor, we can. Okay.
Yeah, you can create the separate, you can create the separate dashboard also into your portal, Azure portal.
Okay.
Okay, no issues. So that, see, what are the things right now? I'm going to give you the introduction of each and every core services. All this, like how to create the virtual machine, how to create the template for in Excel sheet. Okay, like suppose you are going to talk with. I'm going to just a second. I'm going to make Arun as a presenter. Okay. Yeah. See, Mohammed, let me explain you this thing. This is a very important part. See, don't play with subscription. Go to your home page. Okay. Right now, $2.83 they have already billed. Okay.
Mhm.
So please be careful. See, basically, where we were, like we are discussing about the
Dashboard,
what
Azure monitoring.
Advisor.
dashboard. So those
Advisor.
right now, yeah. See, we have created the virtual machine, but creation of a just I'm giving you the simple example. Okay, if you are going to create the virtual machine, there are so many things are involved, right? Network, locations, right? Correct, guys?
Yes.
Yeah.
Right.
So right now in this AZ 900, you should know how to create the instances. In AZ 104, You need to understand what are the components are required.
To get our channel membership, click onto the join button, select the 399 plan and grow your skills immensely.
Required to create the any virtual machine, SQL and all. You are asking Mohammed very first day or second day. I was just I'm not able to recall on which date you have asked. You have asked how to generate the how to create the template, right, in Excel to showcase in front of client, right?
Right.
So those Excel template we are going to create in AZ104 in detail.
Okay.
Again, we will pick all the services and different ways of creation of the Azure services. All services like virtual machines, mainly core services. I will explain you one or two, and then you are going to work on that.
Sure.
And I will validate. Like if I will explain you for a virtual machine, simple example, then I will give you the assignment to create for Azure SQL, and you have to create.
Sure.
Now open the lab document. Advisory, you can just open. How to create the, just mention create the Azure advisory. For learning purpose, don't take any advice from Azure. Otherwise your bill will be I'm here to guide you. So there is one more pricing calculator, right?
Yeah.
So write down configure the pricing calculator. Lab. Are you able to see the pricing calculator?
Mm,
Type calculator.
that's not coming.
Go to home. Go to home. Click on home page. Azure map. Azure resource group. Azure pricing calculator should be there. Pricing calculator just mention directory migration DB.
No.
Go to resource group. You have already one resource group, right?
Yeah.
You have created. So go to resource group. Click that. Now in the left hand side, check is there any pricing calculator?
Cost analysis there. That's all. Cost analysis, cost alas, budgets. This is only it's done.
Advise recommendation. No, not required. I don't know why you are not getting this. This should be there. Activity. Azure network. That is cost analysis, not that is. Okay, guys. I will tell you how to the. No. Okay, type the cost management billing. Cost management billing. Okay, billing scope. This service should be there. Okay, I will explain you how to find out. Okay, later. So
Okay.
so this is what from cost management you can manage your billing or billing profile and all. Okay, so you can check
Okay.
from here. Billing profile, advisor. Okay, pricing
Okay.
calculator. I will tell you.
Okay, then I'll remove this.
Yeah, you can. You can remove right now. So the cost management, you can write down the lab cost management.
Okay.
And verify the profile. So here, from here, you can verify and verify the billing profile. Like in AWS also we have, right? Billing
Yeah.
profile and all. Yeah,
Yeah.
the same way here also. Okay. Clear?
Yeah.
Okay. Clear, guys? Now,
Yes.
now open one new notepad.
Yeah. Open.
Open. Now here write down the interview questions. So age at 900 already completed. Interview questions. Okay. Write down what is cloud in notepad only.
Yeah. Yeah.
And you,
Saving.
okay. Next question, types of cloud. Types of cloud in Azure. In Azure, see, in AWS we have 4 types of cloud. In Azure we have 3 types of cloud. Okay, Mohammed. Hello, Mohammed.
Right.
Yeah.
Yes,
So
Rohit.
please write down all your answer according to the Azure cloud only.
Right.
Okay. And types of cloud here is what? Private, public, and hybrid. And also write
Yes.
down.
Right.
Okay. Difference between types of cloud in Azure.
Yeah. Done. Rohit.
Done.
Hmm.
Okay. Different types of service model of Azure cloud.
Different types of
Service model.
Service
service.
model. So what are the different types of service model?
SaaS,
Tell me,
PaaS,
who said
AS,
this?
Bilash.
Okay, great. Now, what is the difference between what is economics of a scale in Azure? What is economics of scale?
So will you be sharing those slides, Rohit?
No, slide I can't share because it's a Microsoft. Okay.
Proprietary.
Yeah.
Okay.
You are a senior person, Mohammed. How? Okay.
I'm
Just
asking if it is like developed by
okay.
you.
No, it is not developed by by me. Okay, everything what maybe I'm going to explain you. I will from next I will modify the Microsoft window.
Sure.
Okay, so just now I have pasted one link, Azure Microsoft, that is pricing calculator. Open that link. We have one lab, right? Go to the lab section.
Yeah, 1 minute. You
Configure
pasted?
the I pasted one link into the chat.
Okay.
Let it be portal.accenture also should be open. This is totally
No,
different.
that is there. That is there. I'm just opening.
So from here you can calculate the pricing for for virtual machine and all the services.
Okay.
Okay, click on virtual machine. Or
This
open
is
in
from
the
the old
lab.
portal, I guess.
Yes.
Azure.microsoft.com.
Yeah, pricing calculator, So this whenever you are going to create the labs, please mention this URL, otherwise you will not able to find out the services.
Okay.
Okay, it was in Microsoft documentation. I have just got the URL.
So this URL is classic from classic portal, right?
Yeah.
Like Azure.microsoft.com.
Yes. So just copy this here. From here you can manage, you can calculate. So you have already pay as you go. Scroll down. From here you can manage, and what is the cost and all. You can save, export also from Excel. Everything you can do. Okay. Don't play so much, otherwise the cost will be very high. Okay.
Okay.
You can play these thing in your organization level. If you have account, just play. Don't play with here. You will just take the screenshot and just show how we have to do. Correct, Mohammed?
Yeah.
Right.
So write on that labs. Configure the pricing calculator and just mention that URL also here. Otherwise you will forget. Just now I pasted that. So how many labs till now we have?
Today, I think
30.
4.
Oh, till now, entire.
30.
30. Okay. Now go to the interview questions. Yeah, what is economics of scale? What is the difference between upfront cost? What is the upfront cost? Just mention. What is upfront cost? Okay. Define the below terminology. Define the number one. What are the terminology we have discussed in first? High availability, right?
Yeah.
After that, elasticity.
Scalability.
Yeah, scalability, elasticity, agility, fault tolerance.
Default
Right?
tolerance. Fault
Yeah.
tolerance.
Fault, not default, fault.
Yeah, fault tolerance.
Disaster recovery. All of you, all are writing or not?
Yes.
See, Mohammed, for why I'm telling you, because this theory you are preparing for theory, right? For interview purpose.
Yes.
So that's the reason these all terminology will be handy with you. And also
Right.
create one again separate document for this. and all the interview questions, that is AZ 900, AZ 104, AZ 400, everything will be in a single document.
Right.
Interview questions, okay, and labs will be different because labs will be very bulky. Right now you must have crossed almost 40 to 50 pages, right?
Yes.
Okay, so send me those. Tomorrow I will give you my mail ID. Send me all of you your mail, your labs document, so that I will validate your all the labs, and I will reply back. I will give you my mail ID. And one more thing, do not give my mail ID to anyone.
Okay.
Okay, global reach, customer latency capabilities.
Sorry. Next question. Huh?
No. These are the terminology. Not
Okay. Okay. Global
reach.
Okay.
Disaster
Customer.
recovery. Disaster
Okay.
recovery you have mentioned, right?
No.
Disaster recovery.
Hmm.
Customer latency capabilities. Latency means delay. Write down
Yeah.
in the
Yeah.
bracket. Otherwise, you guys will forget.
Yeah. No. Latency. You know that.
Next is predictive cost consideration. All of you, Muhammad and Arun, Avilas, you should also write down.
Yeah.
Okay. And last one is what? Security. Agility, one more. Agility was also there, right? Okay. Next question is difference between IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS. And SaaS. Clear?
Yeah.
Right.
Difference between private, public, and hybrid cloud. Yeah, have you written this question?
No.
Oh, different.
Yeah, we returned that.
Yeah, difference between the types of cloud
Types
in
of
Azure.
clouds.
In the
Yes.
bracket, just mention private, public, and hybrid. Private, public, and hybrid.
So for AWS, what is the other model?
Multi-cloud.
Multi-cloud.
One more cloud, types of cloud. And if you will search on Google types of cloud only, if you are going to put, then you will get 5 types of cloud. So do not do any search on Google. Otherwise, you will see something and you are going to discuss here. Okay. Whatever I'm going to tell you, that is according to the Microsoft documentation. According to the Microsoft. Okay. So these all the 8 and labs, please paste on the chat. Oh, it's 9. Okay, Mohammed, just a second. Just take these questions from chat and lab. Also
Yeah.
paste, and then you can leave.
Sure.
8 questions. 8 questions. And
Yeah.
the lab is.
Yeah, I have typed all these things actually.
Type once again. Maybe Abhilash and all. Copy and paste.
Sure.
Done.
I also typed.
Okay. Now, Mohammed, you can leave. I'm just explaining him how to write the answers on Word document. So
Sure.
Mohammed, you can leave because you have a class at exact 9 o'clock. Okay.
Right.
So Arun,
Thank you.
just open. Thanks, Mohammed. Open one Word document, new. See, this is a master class, so you guys have to little bit work more. Okay, Avilas, and you have to complete each and every question.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
So but again, same way, insert the cover page. Take some different, that is lab. Take some other after this. Last, yes. Go down. Azure interview question.
1 minute.
Azure Cloud. Just mention Azure Cloud. AZURE. And document subtitle interview questions.
This is AZ 900, no?
No, Azure
Or,
Cloud interview questions. Don't mention. I will mix all the questions here.
Okay.
Azure interview questions. Azure Cloud interview questions. Okay, it will include DevOps question, Azure DevOps also, infrastructure also. Okay, remove this abstraction and all. Just mention verify by Rohit Singh.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Now again you have to insert one table the way you are, right?
Yeah.
Copy
Yeah.
paste all this stuff and you will do. So in the same way, Avilas, you should also do.
Sure.
So I'm expecting, guys, tomorrow you guys at least complete all your labs.
Yeah. This will give me a time because I need some time for this.
Yeah. Not this lab document.
Lab I can do it, but this one I need some 2-3 days because.
Yeah. This is what weekend. Don't worry. Tomorrow I will give you more questions and entire weekend. Okay. Entire weekend you have full time.
Okay.
Saturday, Sunday you have time, right?
Yeah. Okay. This is this is for AZ 900 or this one?
No, this is for just do not mention anything AZ 900 or AZ 104 and
okay general
till now
this
how
is.
much we have. Yeah, this is general till now. What are the things we are going to cover in these all three certifications? We are going to I will give you all the interview questions.
Okay.
See, my motive is what you guys will be after completion of this course, you are able to switch your job, correct? Or you should get some hike in your existing organization, whatever may be, if you show these all certifications. Mainly the people are looking for different job. I can understand, right? Correct, Avilas?
Yeah.
Yes. Correct.
Yeah. So fine. It was nice today talking with you guys.
Just one. I have one thing.
Yeah. Please.
Is it okay or is it okay?
Yeah. Please go ahead. Yeah. I have.
No, the recent I have done some article things. Now the people are going with some front end application in the cloud. Remaining database is in the on-premise data center. So is it true? Many companies are due to security data security they are maintaining. Like, is it a good thing or how far it is?
No, yeah, they are cloud only.
Because
don't go for on premises. Don't go for on.
No, this is what I read because front end application will be in the cloud, like whatever .NET front end application, and remaining database will be in the on-premise data center. Currently, they are following, so that's why I'm asking.
See, still now there's so many organizations. Okay.
Please enroll our general membership for $399 plan to get access of all the parts.
Along with that, you can access our other tutorials such as Docker, Ansible, Jenkins, Terraform, Splunk, AWS, Azure, and various other DevOps related premium tutorials with our channel membership. If you would have any issues with our channel membership, you can drop an email to us at contact@devopsschool.com, or you can also unsubscribe from channel membership anytime if you don't want to continue or did not like the video. To get our channel membership, click onto the join button, select the $399 plan and grow your skills immensely. Please be kind enough to like it, and you can comment any of your doubts and queries. We will reply to them at the earliest. Thanks for watching.